Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have two flips for you. This first dresser I forgot to take a before, but this is the first coat that I applied the country gray to. I did keep the top original and I just taped everything. And this one took 3 coats of the paint. So here's the top. I did keep it original because it was in pretty good condition. I did also keep the hardware. So the hardware is original to the dresser. And this is what it looks like. I love the way it came out, and just keeping the old hardware just made it look nice. But yeah, I sold this dresser 2 days after I had posted it for $160. And this other dresser I found on the side of the road. It is a little more beat up, but nothing that sanding and a good wipe down can fix. So here's the first coat. I also used country gray on this. This also used 3 coats of the paint. And here are the drawers. I'm gonna remove the hardware, wipe it down, sand it, and re-wipe it. Here's what it looks like after the 3rd coat. And I just spray painted the hardware gold, and I put some contact paper on the top, and I think that just made everything pop. I also sewed this dresser 2 days after I posted it for $150. Thanks for watching. Stay and subscribe. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.